Let's dive in. Today we are going to be doing a Ann Taylor haul. The shipping was delayed a bit, so it did come in several packages in between, and so because it was a special sale that they did have, I don't know if the items are still going to be available, but I want to do the haul. I think it's fun, so if you want to watch, thank you. There are a couple of things that I did already put on hangers. So first things first that I got is, of course, the cutest little wool fabric blazer. I think these are such classic pieces, and this color thread I absolutely love. I love my black and white with a little pop of color. And this one, there is, so this is a petite size, of course. For me, and it's got a wonderful liner. It's just such great quality to their clothes. These are obviously my favorite choice when it comes to things to wear to work. Absolutely, by far, the clothes last for years and years. So I'm very loyal to Ann Taylor, and their sales are so great. I mean, honestly, to get this great of a quality of clothing for the prices when they are on sale. I believe this was like $40 on sale. Regular price, oh, it doesn't even have it on here. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so anyway, I will be trying it on, but again, wool. It's got pink and threads of purple and a little bit of baby blue. It's kind of like an Easter or pastel collection or assortment. Buttons are black, plastic buttons. And I like how it's ribbed throughout the jacket. Okay, so that's the first thing that I got that I love.
Alright, second thing that I got, this is
the most beautiful pink color. It's like an A-line, I want to say A-line skirt. I love the color to this one. Little ruffles here, little collar here. You know what? This dress here is a classic. Even for color, I normally try to shy away from color, but this color, you can dress it up with accessories, and even the blazer I just showed you guys, it will look so adorable together. So that's the second. And here we go. Oh my gosh, I love this fabulous skirt. Oh, I didn't know if the other one had a price, but if not, I'll just let you guys know. Does this one carry a price? Oh yeah, there are no prices on these things. That's so bizarre. This one here is actually, I thought it was more of a white skirt online, but I just think it's better looking in person. It's so beautiful. It's like cream. It's like a cream neutral or nude kind of color. I love how it has this cute little belt that comes with that, and I just think this will match so many great pieces with color. So color blouses on the top, a neutral skirt on the bottom. I think this is going to be added to probably one of my timeless pieces. Cannot wait to actually wear this skirt. And it comes with a little bit of a slit. So that is cut. So the slit's still very conservative. So again, I just think Ann Taylor makes the best work clothes. Okay, then we got this top. This was actually a final sale piece. So I like this top. I love the print of it. I don't, however, like the pockets. But at the same time, with the price that it was, and the quality again, and the colors, I love the black and white, cream and black. I think that's timeless. And I believe this is like a cheetah print. And just look, I think, I don't know how it looks together, but I'm just saying, like, again, blouses and this cute little. And so, what do we have here? We've got more packages from Ann Taylor. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is so beautiful. This here is the straight, and I like straights. As far as fits go, they have so many different types of suit pants. I believe this is part of a suit pant collection. The material, this is definitely a cream white. It's like linen. It feels that way anyway. Oh my gosh, what a gorgeous pant. As far as see-through goes, there is some lining in here. Again, great quality. Love that. They have a couple of pockets here on the sides. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful pant. This is such a gorgeous pant. Such a gorgeous pant. Mid-rise. I would prefer a high-rise just because the fact that I do have a long torso and it is definitely gaining lots of weight during this time in quarantine. But this here, I love the, I think it's pleat. Yeah, the pleat. I love how Ann Taylor, most of their pants do have a pleat. And I just think it makes it just look so much more classier and rich. So that's that. That's the pant. So we're gonna try these things on. Again, these will go great with color and other types of patterned blouses. Classic timeless pieces to find. At least have a good, nice white suit pant, black suit pant suit. Maybe I'll do a video on timeless pieces to have for work. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. Absolutely. Guys, this is my favorite haul from Ann Taylor that I've had in years. I'm sorry, not haul. My favorite collection. Oh my gosh, look at this, adorable. It's like a mint green blue. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love pencil skirts, and I love how these comes with the little belt. Absolutely, what a joy, what a treat. I don't think that the camera is doing it any justice, but again, A-line skirts are timeless pieces. Timeless. And of course it has a small slit here. It does have a small slit here in the back. And of course I will be needing to steam these babies before I try them on for you guys, and hopefully I can fit. I've gained quite a bit of weight in the last couple of weeks. And again, from spring or summer look, I got the beautiful mint green skirt or pastel blue skirt. And then of course I had to make it a little tighter, the hole in the belt. The first one, the loop was closed, sewn up. So I guess that's a blooper, but that's not a problem to me. I can just easily get through that and make that hole later on. But this is the outfit. So it's like, I love my black and white with a pop of color. So that's that. So let me know what you guys think. Don't mind the plastic on the chairs, you know, it's like the olden day. I'm not doing a furniture ad, but.
Okay, so that's that one, and we have one more bag here, so I would like to see what. This could be. Oh, gorgeous. Okay. Oh my goodness. I might have to add a mix of different tops to wear with these bottoms, but oh my goodness, this is such a nice, beautiful, again, cream pant. It's like linen. I love this so much. I love this so much.
I love the material. I love the color. I love the fit. I love the pleat. The pleat. Sorry, pleat. I have to look that up. I think I'm making up words in my head. But this is such a beautiful, beautiful pant. Okay, and the color, it's a cream. So it's very classy. Spring / summer. Summer. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And until next time, bye. because I've been in the house for about a couple of months now. Actually, that's just an excuse. I'm still ugly. It's about time to, you know, start investing in myself, you know, hashtag self-love, hashtag self-care.